Alright, today we're going to perform an initial switch configuration on our switch here. So what we'll do is we'll configure the switch host name. So we'll go to our customer switch here. Alright, and we're set up on our switch. We'll go to enable, and that gets us into our privileged exec mode. Then we'll go to our conft, so we can configure our terminal. Now we're going to name our switch our customer switch, which is called okay, and as you can see, your customer switch, your name here went from switch to customer switch. Okay, now we're going to enable a password. Okay, and we'll enable our secret. And now from global configuration mode, we'll switch to configuration mode. And we'll go line console 0. And so that's so we can configure our line now. And from there, we're going to set the password to Cisco and require the password to be enter at login. So when you log into the terminal, that you have to set this is setting of that password. So we'll go password Cisco, and it's at login, and then we'll exit out of there, out of your line. And so we'll go from there. We'll go to our configure our VTY. So we'll go line VTY 0, 1, 5. Okay, so we go back into line configuration mode. Then we'll set our password for that. Log in and exit. So you set your password for that for login. Okay, then we'll configure our IP address on interface VLAN 1 from global configuration mode. So we'll go interface VLAN 1, and this is setting up your LAN interface IP address. And so as you can tell, we went into interface configuration mode again. And we'll go IP address. And every time we put our IP address in there, we want to go no shutdown, or for our interface, so that we know that our interface is going to be changed to status, is changed to up. Then we'll go ahead and exit out of there. So now we're back in config mode, and we'll assign our default gateway. Okay. So from there, we're going to verify our configuration. We can get back into privilege exec mode, and then we'll ping our ISP server. So when we ping that, we know our default gateway and IP address and everything's working. We have 80% success rate, so we're getting through to it. Alright, that's how we set up configure our switch.